Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive that I use for work. And this week I am really excited because this just came in today. I will be using a sheet of the new Butterflies sticker sheet from AccordingToAli. And I'm going to be combining it with some of this neutral alcohol ink as well. And I'll probably be using some of my own stickers too. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I really want to use this terrazzo washi from Simply Gilded, but I'm not sure how well that's going to go because there's so much peach in there that I don't think it will go very, very well. But I love this washi and I want to be able to use that somewhere, but I don't think it's going to work out well today. I'm thinking, what about this one? I think this was Tortoise Shell from Simply Gilded. So much washi, and I want to be able to use it. But again, there's that like pink in the background that just doesn't match with that. So I may have to just go with a very simple gray, like this steel bow, or go back into Ali's washi here. That's some extra, and I feel like I'm gonna end up kind of copying what Ali's had done in her most recent spread. Now I think I'm gonna go with these rather than the Simply Gilded, but we'll see. I can always bring in some other ones. So what I'm gonna end up doing now is actually putting washi across the top in each of them, and then I'm gonna put the dates over top. Now next week is actually I'm off on the Monday, so I have a day off in lieu on the Monday because I am actually working on the Saturday. So the days of the week are going to be dated a little bit differently, but I will speed through this so you don't see me struggle through all of this portion. Okay, then I'm going to put the days of the week. So I'm actually going to be starting from Tuesday and then going to Saturday. And these are my script stickers from my shop. Now that is done, I kind of want to go in with a couple of butterflies here, so but also some of this ink as well. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just trying to also see what color markers would be, or Tombos, or ooh, I have my Crayola Super Tips. So give me a second here. Okay, so Crayola Super Tips for the win. I was able to find a few, well, two that matched really, really well. Now I need my work stickers, and I think these ones are also oops, which is why I can use them. I can't find my other ones. Okay, so then what I'm going to do with the meetings is go across, but I'm going to, I think I'm gonna just do that. It's going to start looking like an Oilers spread here. Like in Edmonton Oilers, if you guys aren't familiar with Edmonton. Yeah, so meeting. And putting that through. I mean, the sticker itself wasn't that bad. There was just a big fold through it. Ooh, that's crooked. And then the blue, I like alternating them as well so that they don't look exactly the same. And actually on Saturday I don't really have a meeting, so I don't know why I put that down. And I feel like maybe I could just take the meeting sticker off. Woohoo! That came off a lot easier than I thought it would. And then I will just put tasks there. There we go. Then I can go and add in like the dots for my meetings. Again, I will speed through this. Perfect. And then I feel like now I can go in and start doing like proper decorating with these butterfly stickers. So let's get this out of the way. Let's do this first, this alcohol ink right in the middle here. I bought 2 sheets of this because they're just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning stickers. And I'm gonna, this is like old washi, this one from like Michael's back in 2017 or something. Ooh, ooh, I like it already. And I'm gonna put this one down like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and actually it's kind of bugging me that the washi's on straight. I like it ripped. Okay, then let's take some of this alcohol ink. Like it looks like, just the way it looks like it is popping off the spread. A little bit of alcohol ink here. Actually, I didn't mean for it to be right on in line with that one. That's okay. And I almost want this to look like it's half off the page, or like it's coming from that box in particular. I like it a lot, and I kind of want to do this down at the bottom. Just make sure that it folds okay. Oh yeah. Then adding the orange butterfly. So pretty. And then blue. Oh wow. Wow. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. Just a little bit in the corner. But I do need something up here. And part of me is like, I don't want to use it all yet. But I still have a few butterflies that I can use. I almost want to, if it will let me, move this. Will it let me? Okay, kind of. Very careful. Okay. Move it to the note section here. And place another butterfly there. And then I think I'm going to be done with the butterflies. I don't want to, I honestly don't want to overload it, but this is so pretty. I mean, if I put it here, there's no room. Well, I could still have room to write down some tasks and some meetings. Well, definitely here. Well, I don't know. Okay, adding that washi. I'm just realizing now what it looks like having the butterfly on my wrist like that, on my thumb. Then I The orange ones are so pretty. I'm gonna choose to put an orange one down in the corner here. Put this blue one back. Where did that one go? So many to use in my next spread. I'm so excited. And then add a little bit more washi. And then I think I'm gonna be done. This is definitely not a color scheme that I'm very familiar with, but I do really like the outcome of it. There's just something to be said about this. I'm just looking at it right now and admiring it, and wow. These stickers are stunning. Stunning, stunning. I almost wish there was a smaller one that I could put here in this corner, because I feel like all the butterflies are down here. But I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I feel like if I mess with it anymore, then yeah. But what do you guys think of that? It's definitely different in terms of color scheme that for anything that I've done, but I do really like the overall effect. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.